Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And earlier today I made a macro that was kind of funny, and I thought I really like working with macros. And I'm going to show you how you could use it other than just drawing in Corel to bring something into Corel and actually import something. I make a lot of videos where I share a file, so with a click of a button, I brought in my Facebook page. So when I share files and I tell people I'm going to share it, I give the name of my page. This is very easily done. Let's just shut down Macro Manager. Now your macro most likely is going to be under Tools and Macros. Start recording. And we're going to call this Xmas, Christmas. I'm going to go to File, Import, and see it's even open up document libraries. I'm going to go to Pictures, and I'm going to type in I can't even type. Here is the picture. It's a JPEG, and I'm going to import it. I'm going to put it right here. Well, matter of fact, I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to hit my escape button. It's going to put it top left corner. I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to open up Macro Manager. First, we're going to delete this. We'll open up Macro Manager, and there is our Christmas. Wow. Not only brought it in, imported it, but it put it to the top left corner. Now, I'm not going to make a hotkey for it, but very easily just right click, assign a hotkey, and I would never use this, so I'm not going to make one, but you just pick a key that's not being used, and that's a /, assign it, hit OK. Then from now on, all I have to do with that text selected is hit the / key, and that picture comes up. You can bring up your company logo, anything that you use a lot. So that's how to create a macro, and it'll actually go to your files, go look at a file, and find that exact file. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.